There are certain persons who who neither add meaning to the life nor add meaning to the death. And there is second category of persons who may add meaning to the life, but they may add meaning to the death. There are very rare kind of persons who add both meaning to life and death, because it doesn't mean how long a person lived, it matters how he lived. You may understand Mr. Madhukar Shetty being spoken. See, almost I can say that no good person could have refused or opposed his personality, because we find it is totally impossible to find a person who doesn't have enemies, which they call in Sanskrit as Ajata Shatru. No. Nowadays, crowd gathering or participation in a function may be due to compulsions, fear of superior, attendance, maintaining annual confidential record, so many things. But I can swear from the nucleus of my heart and say, each and every person who has come for this function has been on voluntary basis. And if you want to prepare a list, kindly put me at serial number 1. Sometimes mechanically and casually we may refer so many deceased persons as Divangata. That means Diva means heaven, Gata means who has gone to heaven. He definitely justifies that name. Definitely, if any person who has a VIP seat in heaven, it is Mr. Madhukar Shetty. See, I had the occasion of meeting Mr. Madhukar Shetty when I was special judge of the 23rd Additional Court, which was called as Special Judge, Special Court or Lokayukta Court, as the case may be. A judge has nothing to do for interaction with the police officers, but somehow a coordinated or concerted effort is required for the betterment of the society. He was above Magsaysay. He was above Magsaysay award. And second thing is, we have Mother's Day, Father's Day, Brother's Day, and Grandfather's Day, Grandchild Day, Daughter's Day. But I don't know, people of knowledge will know it, whether we are having any anti-corruption day, ಅಥವಾ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ವಿರೋಧಿ ದಿನ. If it is not there, 17 December is ideal for it. See, when after completion of my tenure at Lokayukta Court, I went to Tumkur. It was a big building and I was living alone. One day, after returning from States, he came with his young daughter. I was really shocked and surprised. And whenever I met him, I don't know, I was short of becoming emotional. And I used to express my disappointment or frustration about so many acts which were going on in the society. But he taught me, I can tell you, I am elder to him in age, but he taught me how to receive things. And our sudden reaction may alert the wrongdoer. If you want to prevent the wrongdoer from doing or continuing wrong, you should never show your emotions. Lesson number 1. And also, see, when he used to tell most disappointed or frustrating experience, he never used to shout and speak loud. He used to just raise his head and tell with so much of firmness, hammering the table like that without any cause. It was just like lion rearing it, rather lifting its head. And he is a step, but he was programmed to be straight in steps, straight in talk, straight in action. It is not that simply he wanted to be a super cop. If anybody wants to become super cop, he is the example. But this, right from day one, I believed this casteism and corruption, they are the psychological cancer of the society. In this connection, he was a pioneer in the movement of anti-corruption, a crusader for preventing corruption. ಅವರು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೇವೆಯಾಗಿ ಸುದ್ದಿಯಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸದ್ದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಮಾಡದೆ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. He was beyond awards, beyond names, beyond so many precious things. On the other hand, if any award is given, it is a respect to that award, not for Mr. Madhukar Shetty.